Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aliza Yorilita Jasmine, and I will explain about modes and types of interpreting. Modes are the way in which interpreting is concluded. There are four ways to do modes. The first is consecutive. This is done when the speaker pauses for a while, and during the pause, the interpreter explains. Then another characteristic is that it does not require equipment because the speaker and interpreter are close together. And then the second is simultaneous interpreting. There is no pause, so the interpreter translates directly. And then usually the interpreter is in a class both, so the interpreter works in pairs used for large meeting. And the third is whisper interpreting. Is a form of simultaneous interpreting and then commonly called chuchotage, and it done by whispering or quietly. And then the last is side interpreting, involve reading document and speaking. And then the second I will explain about the types of interpreting. There are 9 types of interpreting. First, conference interpreting. This conference often take place at large conference. The second is escort interpreting. Escort interpreting may include sightseeing tour, guide tour, and international fairs. Third, bilateral interpreting. The interpreter translates to parties or more into language. Here, the interpreter becomes a mediator. Fourth is telephone interpreting. It's actually bilateral interpreting which use telephone as the media. Five is television interpreting, the type of translation done for television broadcast. And then the sixth is video conference. Video conference interpreting, this remote interpreting activity enables participants to have an online face-to-face meeting. 7. Community interpreting. Community interpreting takes place in community-based setting situation. This includes education, housing, social security, and police. And then 8 is court interpreting, usually work with lawyers, witness, or defendant. The role for a court interpreter is that she or he must be neutral party. And then the last, medical interpreting, must have the background of professional interpreter and master of medical terms. I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.